it's not too late for you. Yet I will rejoice in the Lord. I will take joy in the God of my salvation. Habakkuk 3:18. Daughter, my spirit whispers, and some hear more clearly than others. Some want to hear it, and do, but mistake my words for something else. There's a gift I give, to know with certainty my words pressed upon a daughter's heart. And there are some daughters who, of course, could hear, because they know me. But so many obstacles stay stacked in the way to discerning me clearly. Now the ones who can hear and listen intently will not be disappointed. While they may not hear what they want to hear, they will not be disappointed because I do not disappoint. My presence, my true presence, does not disappoint. This world brings with it much sadness, and my words get twisted and muddled. Purity becomes tainted. Translation is distorted, and I let my daughters act on the distorted messages. But I keep whispering truth, their hearts, the hearts I created with my own breath, understand. There is always hope in me. There is always new life for you, my daughter, in me. There is no daughter, despite her past, despite her mistakes, despite how she turns away, that could disappoint me when she turns back. Oh, girl, turn back. Don't believe the lie that you messed up too much to be fixed. Don't believe the distorted, twisted, hurtful daggers that tell you it's too late for you. Yes, there are things you did you wish you didn't. There are things I saw done to you that make my heart still ache and cry. I only intend good for you, daughter. I only plan and speak goodness and hope. Even in the world's disappointments, I am bigger, and I bring a new way to look at the old. I replace all old with new. There's nothing I don't see, nothing that breaks your heart that I don't care about. Say it aloud, girl, how you are tired. Say it aloud, girl, how you hope for more. I love giving more of me, more love, more joy. I am in all places, and I redeem and bring beauty to all paths. Yours, daughter, I bring hope and joy to yours.